Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a video sticker from TikTok. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. So this is my TikTok application. I'm going to open it. Then we can go to our profile because the sticker that we have created on our TikTok will be shown on our profile. And you just need to click on the sticker icon to open the video sticker you have created on TikTok. Alright, and these are my video sticker. Those are the video sticker that I have created on my TikTok. And if we want to delete the video sticker, this step is really simple. We just need to select the video that we want to delete from our TikTok. And for instance, I'm going to delete this video. So we can just click on the video sticker and click on delete and click on delete button. Okay, and now as you can see that the video sticker has been deleted from my TikTok profile. If you don't want to delete it, but if you just want to like hide the sticker from your profile, you can tap on the video. Then you can click on hide from profile and store. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete a video sticker from TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.